Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you are all fine and happy at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, did you get time to go through our story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes.
Good. Any doubts regarding the previous portion?
No, ma'am.
All right. What about the questions that I sent in the WhatsApp? Were you able to write the answers for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have you all completed doing it?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So, I will give you a few more days to complete. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We will
We
complete
also-
today itself.
Okay.
Ma'am,
okay,
I
good.
finished.
Okay, some of you finished. Very good. And you need not send me the answers in the WhatsApp, okay? Because my phone will get hang very soon because all the students are sending it. So hereafter, if I give you any homework, please do not send it to me personally in my WhatsApp, but I will check it in the class itself, okay? And once it is a time for submission, you all have to keep it in the file and submit. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
All right, all right. So let's quickly recapitulate the previous class
Ma'am.
portion. Yes?
Ma'am, last day, like yesterday, you gave one homework, right? That we should write in a lecture notebook, right?
Yes, that you have to write in the lecture
Okay, ma'am.
notebook. Okay. Whatever the questions that I give you after completing a day's portion, that you have to write it in your lecture note. Okay. You can keep a separate literature notebook for that. And the question answers that I sent after completing a chapter, that should be written as notes on the rule sheets, which is provided from the school. I hope it
Ma'am.
is clear.
No,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't really understand about the homework that you sent yesterday night, in which we have to write it.
See, the homework questions which I sent you after completing a day's portion, you have to write it in your lecture notebook or your rough book. Or if you have kept a separate notebook for literature, you have to write it in that. Because that is a kind of writing practice for you to read and understand the test. And my intention is to make you write the answers by yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you are free to write the answers in your own words. It doesn't matter even if you make slight mistakes or errors. But when it comes to the notes, once completing the chapter, once I complete the chapter, I will be sending you the notes to you. That notes you have to write neatly on the ruled sheets and it should be filed. Okay. So homework questions I will be checking in the class itself. I will ask you to show it to me in the class. Is that clear?
Clear, ma'am. It's clear.
So whatever activity that I give you, take it seriously because it is for your betterment only. Okay, that's really going to help you in studies. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Okay. So those who have not switched on your videos yet, please switch it on. We are going to begin our session. Let's recapitulate the important points. Okay. So the story that we are dealing with is Hanuman and I, written by Rupa Gupta. And who is the main character? Do not
The
forget.
little girl.
My little girl. A
The
little girl.
Yeah, the little girl is the narrator of the story. Setting of the story is the
School annual.
annual day. School annual day. And what is the title of our drama?
Ma'am,
The
the
story
story
of
of Rama.
Ma'am,
Story of drama. Do
Sto-
not get confused. It's not the story of Hanuman or it's not the story of Lakshmana, but it's the story of drama.
Rama.
Okay, sorry. The story of Rama. Okay. What is the story written by Rupa Gupta?
Hanuman and I.
Hanuman and I.
Hanuman
Very
and I.
good. Hanuman and I. Okay. The little girl in our story decided to do the role of
Rama.
Rama.
She
Okay.
did
Rama.
Little girl
mind
in
the
our
role.
story decided to do the role of Rama. She had a
Rama.
great desire. Her ambition was to do such a fantastic role in the drama. That is the role of
leading role in
yeah, leading role or the central character as Rama. She doesn't mind doing the role of Lakshmana or Hanuman. But yesterday I had sent you a question. That is, what was the little girl hoping for? What is the answer for that question? The little girl was yes.
to get a good role. To get
Yes,
a
Amaya.
good
Maya, give me the answer.
in
She was hoping for that she will get a good role in the play.
Yes, the little girl was hoping with all her heart that she will be getting a good role to play. Okay, all right. And we come to know that some twist happened on the day of performance. What was that twist? Who was Alka?
Ma'am, she was the one who was acting.
Alka is the performer who performed the role of Hanuman.
Okay, Alka was supposed to do the role of Hanuman. And what happened to Alka? Devika, do you know what happened to Alka?
Yes, ma'am, she had high temperature on that day.
She
And she
had
was
high
sick.
temperature on that day. What's the reason for that high temperature?
Ma'am, she was not well.
Okay, she was
Ma'am, she
not
was
well.
contracted with measles.
Yes. So you have to write the answer specifically. Alka was contracted with measles and was running a high temperature. So she was unable to play the role
Playing
of
the drama.
Hanuman. And now, who got the chance of playing the role of Hanuman?
The little
Ma'am,
girl.
the little girl.
Little girl.
Little
The
girl got the role.
got the chance to play the role of Hanuman. So her dream came true now. And can you pick out any line from the story to show that she was overconfident?
Ma'am, she told
Ma'am, even if I forget my lines,
even if I forget my lines, I will be able to make up something else.
Yes, even if I forget my lines, I can always think up something else. This line shows that the little girl became overconfident. All right. And Nia, can you give me the answer for this question? What was the instruction given by the teacher?
She said, "You shall not do any such thing. I shall be promoting from the wings."
Is it promoting?
Ma'am,
Prompting.
prompting from the wings.
Mm.
All you have to do is to repeat what I say and do not mumble, speak as loudly as you can.
Yes, the teacher instructed the little girl that she should not speak as she wished, but she will be prompting from the wings of the stage. The only thing that she has to do is listen to what teacher prompts and she has to repeat it loudly. Okay, so
Ma'am.
that's where we did yesterday. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, I wrote that all you have to do is repeat what I say, and for God's sake, don't mumble, speak as loud as you can.
Okay, when you put it in answer, you have to change I to what? When you put it in answer, you have to change that form. She. I become she. Okay.
She.
Oh, the teacher told that the little girl should not speak as she wished, but she should listen to the teacher's prompting and she has to repeat what the teacher says. Okay. That's how.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. We are going to continue our story. So now the drama is continuing and we are all the audience. Let's see how the little girl performs on the stage. As the curtains went up for the third scene, I was pushed on stage to the accompaniment of the drums. I almost fell on my face. For some time, I could not see a thing. The drums were echoing in my ears, and my hands and feet were cold and numb. I opened my mouth to say my lines, but my throat was dry and I couldn't remember them. So, children, now tell me, on to which scene was the little girl introduced first?
Ma'am, the third scene.
Ma'am, the third scene.
Anandu, do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very correct. On the third scene, the little girl was introduced first on the third scene of the drama. And you find that she did not go onto the stage all by herself, but something happened. What was that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
she
with
must
the
have been
drums.
nervous.
She was accompanied with the
nervous.
drums.
Anna, children, I love to hear your response, but let me ask individually. Anna, what happened to the little girl? Did she go to the stage all by herself?
No, ma'am. She was pushed.
Yes, she was pushed onto the stage by somebody else. So why do you think that the little girl was pushed onto the stage?
Ma'am, she was nervous to get on stage.
Okay, one reason could be that she was nervous to get onto the stage. All right. Seba, can you think of any other reason?
Ma'am, because she's doing the Hanuman role in morning, so she couldn't remember the lights.
Oh, very good, very good. That could be also the reason. She did not have enough practice and she was not sure when to enter the stage. Okay, because on the day of performance, she was given the role of Hanuman and she became quite confused when to enter the stage. Can you think of any other possibilities?
Ma'am, audience.
Audience, what audience?
Ma'am,
Huh? Yes, Steve, I did not get your answer.
Ma'am, seeing the programs,
Ah, okay. Seeing the large
how
number
they
of
will
audience.
react.
Okay. She became a bit nervous seeing a large audience in front of her. Any other answer?
Because she was scared to
And
face
she
the.
can't remember her line.
Okay, she could not remember her lines. She was scared. She was nervous. She did not know when to enter onto the stage. So I think out of all these answers, Seba's answer makes the sense because the little girl got the role of Hanuman on that very day of performance. And she was not sure when was her turn to appear on the stage. Okay, so when the curtains went up for the third scene, the little girl was pushed onto the stage along with the accompaniment of the drums. I almost fell on my face. So, children, can you imagine how it will be if somebody pushes you from the back? What happens? You just
Ma'am, we'll
fell
fall
onto the
down.
Ma'am,
ground.
we will fall.
Ma'am, we'll fall
Yes,
down.
you'll fall down, but that will be a terrible fall, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes,
Ma'am, because
uh,
our face can get hurt.
yeah, your face can get hurt. You may fell on your face onto the ground. For some time, I could not see a thing. The drums were echoing in my ears, and my hands and feet were cold and numb. What do you mean by numb here? Who will give me the meaning of numb?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
numb means it gets so cold that we can't feel anything on our fingers or legs.
Uh,
It will be
Yes.
hard.
It is like she's nervous. That's why she is numb. And
Yes.
it's
So numb means unable to move your body parts. Your body will become so stiff. Your muscles will become so stiff and you will not be able to move it freely. So if you want, just take down the meaning of numb. Numb means deprived of physical sensation. Deprived of physical sensation. That means when you become numb, you will not be able to feel. If somebody touches you, you will not be able to feel. So that's what you mean by numb. So she could hear the sound of the drum echoing in her ears, and at the same time, her hands and her feet became cold and numb. Have you ever faced any such experience? Would you like to share with me?
Ma'am,
Yes, Smriti.
when I went for a tour to, I think some cold place, and
Yes.
it was so cold that I
True,
couldn't even
true,
move
yeah.
my hand.
Oh. When you went to the cold place, you became so numb. Your muscles, your body parts
Yes.
became cold and you were not able to move freely. All right. But that is another context. I'm
Ma'am,
referring to this
so the
particular
meaning of
context.
numb-
That means when you were asked to perform on the stage and have you ever experienced your body becoming numb? Yes, Brusa.
Ma'am, when I was at first standard, my ma'am selected me for a speech. I learned a lot, but then because of my tension, when I was near the stage, my throat became really dry that I couldn't say a word, and I lost completely my dialogues, and I was really blank at that point of time. And then when I entered the stage, I felt I was like gonna faint or something like that, and then I cried on the stage, and then I got up from the stage, and my teacher scolded me, and then she said that you can try your best. And then I came up to the stage again, and then I said something which was really not my topic, and then I became a weirdo in the class. But for the next speeches, I tried my best to speak up and lose my tension.
Very good, very good. Well said, Brusa. Yes. Anybody else? I think except one or two, all others are, very confident in performing in front of the large audience. Or you're all keeping quiet for the time being. Huh? What's the reason?
Ma'am, is it compulsory that we have to say our own experience?
Yes. We have to say our own experience because this story is completely about the little girl's experience. How she felt when
yes,
she
ma'am, the
came
narrator.
onto the stage for the first time to act in front of a large audience. So I would love to hear your experience, how you felt when you performed. I would like to share one of my experiences with you. Okay, when I was in my school, I really loved, both in school and colleges, I really loved to take part in singing, dancing, and acting. But when it comes to speech, oh my God, that was a tough task for me. Okay, delivering a speech in front of my audience means I do not know. That was a really cooling task for me. But once, only for once, I thought I will give it a try. Okay, so when it comes to speech, you know that we have to write so many, sentences, and we have to divide it into paragraphs, and we have to by heart it. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So elocution or speech is mainly about by hearting. So I was not that good at by hearting. Okay, I really love to express myself in my own words. So by hearting was a tough task for me. But once I gave it a try, when I think that was in my sixth standard or something, sixth or seventh, I really do not remember, but still. And I was asked to make a speech in front of my class. My teacher was there beside me and he was listening. I started off with my speech very well, but by the time I reached the midst, I forgot. I forgot and I stopped there. Right at that moment, I did not know how to continue and how to go on with that. And then I stopped at that moment and I went back to sit. And after reaching my home, I told my dad. My dad was the one who prepared a speech for me. I told my dad, this is what happened. I was not able to perform well. And hereafter, I'm not going to give a try on the speech. Definitely, I'll sing and I'll dance and I'll do acting, everything on the stage, but not speech. I told him at that point of time. But then he kept on motivating me, and he told me, "You just give one more chance for yourself, and I'm sure that you will do the best." So just because he was just behind me and he motivated me a lot, I thought I'll give one more try. And the next time when I got a chance, somehow I prepared thoroughly, and I was able to give a good shot of myself. Okay, so that was my experience with speech. But I now also, even now also, I never dare to give a speech. A long, lengthy speech is always a nightmare for me. All right. So we all do have such a kind of experiences. It's quite human to become very tensed or nervous when you are in front of the audience. Our hearts start beating so fast, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am, it is.
yeah. So the same thing is experienced by the little girl. She opened her mouth to say the lines, but her throat became dry and she could not remember them. Geetika, I want you to read the next paragraph. Geetika, are you there? No. Anandu, read.
Thankfully, I heard my teacher reading out my lines again and again. I began repeating whatever she was saying without realizing what I was saying. I knelt in front of Rama, telling him with folded hands that I was his faithful servant. I would gladly die for him.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Anandu. So this little girl tried to say her dialogues on the stage, but because she was too nervous, she could not remember the dialogues. So she waited there for quite some time. And luckily, fortunately, thankfully, she heard her teacher saying something. Why was the girl so happy when she heard the teacher saying something?
And because
she doesn't know
repeat
anything.
what her teacher says.
The teacher has already told her that she will be prompting for the little girl from the side of the way. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes. So the little girl became quite happy. Oh, thank God. Teacher has started her prompting. So actually, or literally, the little girl is supposed to kneel down in front of Rama with her folded hands, and she's supposed to say that I am your faithful servant. Okay, just remember the scene. On the stage, Rama is there, at the same time, Hanuman is also there. Okay, so the little girl is doing the role of Hanuman. She is supposed to fold her hands and kneel down in front of Rama by saying that he is his faithful servant. Hanuman is Rama's faithful servant. Okay, so that is the scene on the stage. But the little girl was not able to recollect that particular dialogue. At that moment, she heard her teacher prompting. So without realizing what the teacher was saying, the little girl shouted the dialogue. The teacher told, do not mumble. For God's sake, do not mumble on the stage. Okay. So the little girl, without realizing what the teacher was saying, she started speaking loudly. Let's see, what was that? Oh my Lord! I repeated loudly what my teacher was saying. You have forgotten to pin your tail. Come on, children, tell me, is this a dialogue or something else?
Ma'am,
No,
that
Ma'am,
is ma'am, the teacher told it to the girl to pin your tail.
Yes, what has actually happened? The little girl has forgotten to pin her tail. Huh? She's doing the role of Hanuman. And you know that Hanuman has got a big tail. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, very long
And
tail.
yeah, there was something missing with her costume. The little girl forgot to pin her tail. And when the girl was on the stage, the teacher noticed. My goodness. So teacher was actually, it was her own thoughts. Oh my God, she has forgotten to pin her tail. But the little girl, without realizing what the teacher was saying, she said it loudly. She said it loudly to whom? That was
Ma'am, to the audience.
Ma'am, to
that
Rama.
was
To Rama.
Rama. Little girl said this to Rama. Oh my Lord, you have forgotten to pin your tail. Don't be silly. Hissed Rama.
Ma'am,
You're not audible.
ma'am is gone.
Ma'am.
Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes,
All
ma'am,
right.
you're audible.
In between, a connection problem happened, just like the mistake happened on the stage. All right. So Rama hissed, don't be silly. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours. So Rama became angry. Yeah, why Hanuman is saying so? Am I supposed to have a tail? You have forgotten to pin your tail. I touched the spot. Marissa, can you read?
Ma'am, the line where don't be silly.
Yeah.
Don't be silly, hissed Rama. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You've forgotten yours. I touched the spot where the tail should have been. I'm sorry, my lord, I said, trying to make up for my mistake. I meant my tail. I have forgotten to pin on my tail.
Okay.
The teacher
Thank
now
you.
whispered.
Thank you, Marissa. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
So the little girl touched the spot where the tail should have been. Now the little girl realized that it was her mistake. She forgot to pin up her tail. And in order to try to make up for her mistake, she said, I'm sorry, my lord. I meant my tail. So children, actually, the dialogues are not taking place on the stage, but something else. Okay. Hanuman and Rama, they are both exchanging conversation between them, but actually, it does not falls under the category of drama. They were not exchanging the real dialogues. I'm sorry, my lord. I meant my tail. I have forgotten to pin on my tail. The teacher now whispered, jump, jump.
Ma'am, she's
What is
actually
that?
telling. Ma'am, she's
What is
actually
that?
telling.
Ma'am, she's
Ma'am,
saying
she
to
is
get out of
telling
the
the-
stage.
Ma'am, she's telling the girl to jump because the girl is a monkey.
Yeah, she's doing the role of Hanuman. Okay, so jumping, was it a dialogue or was it an action?
Ma'am, it was an action, not
Yes.
dialogue.
Yes, the little girl is supposed to do her action now. So jump, jump. I
But she
shouted,
did the dialogue.
jump. The little
Ma'am-
girl shouted to Rama,
Ma'am,
jump.
she thought it was a dialogue.
Yes, she thought it was her dialogue. You jump. Rama shouted at me. Then realizing my second mistake, I began to jump, and the curtains came down to the sound of laughter. So this was the second mistake done by the little girl. Okay, so what was the first mistake?
Ma'am,
She
I will
told
ask
Rama that you
separately.
forgot to pin your
I
tail.
will ask separately. Vaiga, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What was the first mistake done by the little girl? Okay, Vaiga has got connectivity problem. Ashish,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What was the first mistake done by the little girl?
Ma'am, the first mistake done by the little girl was she forgot to pin her tail.
That's all? She forgot to pin her tail
And when the teacher said that to her, she shouted that out to the crowd.
Yes. When the teacher pointed out her mistake, she thought that it was her dialogue and she said it to Rama. So that is the first mistake. And who will tell me about the second mistake? Ananya Kevijish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What was the second mistake done by the little girl?
Ma'am, the teacher told to jump, and she thought it was a dialogue, and she shouted out to jump.
Yes. Very good. The teacher asked the little girl to jump, but thinking that it was her dialogue, she asked Rama to jump. All right. So children, is this much clear to you?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So shall we proceed a little more?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
All right. Now I want Gauri to read. Gauri, read the next paragraph. Read it quickly. Gauri is not responding. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, read.
You jump, Rama shouted at me.
No, later. There and then.
Oh. There and then, the teacher cut short my role as possible. But I had to be on stage in the last act. I was feeling less nervous now and said my lines well. I shouted.
Said my lines well. Said my lines well.
Said my lines well. I shouted.
I showed Rama's ring
to Sita to convince her that I was Rama's messenger. Sita said some beautiful lines about Rama's greatness and how much she missed him. She hid her face in her hands and began to weep.
Began to weep.
Suddenly, I realized that the teacher was prompting while Sita kept sobbing. Since Sita was not saying anything, I decided that it was my turn to speak.
Okay. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. So now, what did the teacher do? The teacher cut short the role of the little girl. What's the reason? Why did teacher cut short the role?
Because the little girl was
making a lot of
Yes. Poor little girl. She was making number of mistakes on the scene, one after the other. So teacher tried to cut short her role as much as possible. But towards the final scene, the teacher was not able to remove that particular character from the drama completely because Hanuman plays an important role there. Okay, so the last chance, on the last act, the little girl had to come onto the stage. I was feeling less nervous now and said my lines well. Why was the little girl feeling less nervous now?
Because she already had.
Because her role had been cut short.
Yes, because her role was cut short. Is that the reason?
Because her role.
And she realized that her mistakes.
Okay, she realized her mistake. All right.
Because it was her second time coming onto the stage.
Yes, because it was her second time coming onto the stage. Seba, what were you telling?
Ma'am, the teacher shorts her dialogues.
Okay, the teacher cut short her dialogue, but actually the little girl did not know about it. Okay, the teacher cut short the dialogues, but little girl was not aware of that. But the reason why she was feeling less nervous is what Geetika said. That is, this is the second time that she has come onto the stage. Okay, so the more you face the audience, the less you become nervous. Do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the little girl became less nervous now and she said her lines very well. She showed Rama's ring to Sita to convince her that I was Rama's messenger. So Hanuman is Rama's messenger. So on the scene, we have two characters. One is Sita and the other one is Hanuman. Okay,
Hanuman.
so Hanuman is showing the ring of Rama to Sita to make her believe that Hanuman is Rama's messenger. Are you following me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sita said some beautiful lines about Rama's greatness and how much she missed him. Sita was becoming very, very emotional. She said some good lines about Rama's greatness, and she also made it clear that she missed him very much. She hid her face in her hands and began to weep. Hid her face. What is hid? What do you mean by hid?
Past tense of
Hide.
hide. And past tense of hide.
Yes, yes, very good. Correctly said. Hid is the past tense of hide. So the word hid here means cover. She covered her face with her hands and she began to weep. She began to cry because she missed Rama a lot. Suddenly, I realized that the teacher was prompting while Sita kept sobbing. So Sita was crying so badly by covering her face in her hand. And she kept on sobbing. So at that point of time, she heard the teacher prompting. Since Sita was not saying anything, I decided that it was my turn to speak. Poor little girl. Okay. Teacher
Okay,
had
ma'am.
told her that the teacher will be prompting from the wings. So since Sita was not saying something, the little girl thought that it is going to be her dialogue. My beauty is my bane, I said grandly. It is because of my beauty that the wicked Ravana wants to marry me. Now, who is the speaker of this dialogue?
Ma'am, it's actually
Ma'am,
Sita.
it's Sita.
Actually, it's
And this
Sita.
dialogue belongs.
And the dialogue is
Listen to
actually
my
for
question.
Sita.
Listen to my question, children. You're going so ahead of me. Listen to the question and answer. Who is the speaker of this dialogue?
Hanuman.
I'm Hanuman.
Hanuman or Sita?
Hanuman.
Let us respond.
Ma'am, Hanuman.
Sure?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone agree that is
Yes.
Hanuman's dialogue?
Yes.
Hanuman is the speaker of this dialogue. But who is actually supposed to say this dialogue?
Ma'am, Sita. Ma'am, because this dialogue belongs to Sita.
Ma'am, the dialogue
Sita is
was actually for
supposed to-
Sita.
Yes, Sita is actually supposed to say this dialogue, but it was said by Hanuman because the little girl thought that the teacher was prompting for her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just imagine a monkey. Just imagine a monkey is saying to a beautiful lady, "Oh, because of my beauty, the wicked Ravana wants to marry me." So Hanuman is saying that my beauty is my bane. Huh? Bane means cause of great trouble. Because of
Great
my
trouble.
beauty, yeah, because of my beauty, Ravana, wicked Ravana wants to marry me. What? Said Sita looking up, startled. My goodness. Now Sita became shocked. Earlier it was Rama's turn to get shocked. Now Sita is getting shocked. What? Not you, you silly girl, hissed my teacher. Again, that was it a dialogue?
No, ma'am, it is an
It
action.
was an action.
It was not a dialogue. It was just an instruction for the little girl. No, you, not you, you little silly girl. Not you, you silly girl. I repeated what the teacher said. Hi, somebody laughed really. I loved it. Okay, so children, you are able to understand the humor that's
Yes.
happening on the
Yes, ma'am.
stage. Okay, so whatever the teacher said, the little girl, without realizing, thinking that it was her own dialogue, she said it loudly. Okay, not you, you silly girl. I repeated what the teacher said. Seeing the startled expressions of the whole cast, I bit my tongue, realizing my mistake too late. Now, what happened? Huh? At that point of time, the little girl realized that, oh my God, this also ended up as a big mistake because the entire crew, the entire actors or the characters who belong to this drama, they became shocked because this also became a big flop. Okay, so seeing the startled expression, the shocking expression of the whole cast, I bit my tongue, What do you mean by the phrase bit my tongue?
Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am, stop
Ma'am,
myself
talking.
from saying something.
Ma'am, stop saying stop
Bit
talking.
my tongue means, yeah.
Ma'am, stop myself
Stop
from
talking.
saying something.
Ma'am,
Yes.
stop talking.
Yes. Stop saying something. Okay, you control yourself from saying something.
Something.
So the little girl understood that this scene also became a great flop due to the mistakes from her side. So she stopped speaking much more and she just left the scene. So this is the third mistake done by the little girl. What was the third mistake?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, she repeated again what the teacher told, which was an instruction to her.
Yes, yes. Instead of Sita saying the dialogue,
Read
the little
the
girl
lines
thought
of
that it was her dialogue and she spoke to Sita. All right. So is this portion clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
So quickly go through the important points. The first mistake, the second mistake, and the third mistake done by the little girl. Quickly go through. I will be sending you few questions based on today's portion. Read the text at least 3 times and try to write answers by yourself in your notebook. Okay? And next class, I will check it.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really had a good time with you. Okay.
Thank
All
you,
right.
ma'am.
I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.